Hey everybody, it's Tony with BlackTop Magazine here for ThermoTec. Today we had some great fun in the garage. Billy and I were working on old down payment blues here. We rewrapped the pipes. And I tell you what, it ain't easy getting these pipes off the Road King, but we muscled it through and wrapped the pipes up really good. We used ThermoTec's carbon fiber exhaust insulation wrap, and you know what, it's really nice. It worked really well. You don't have to wet it like you do with some of those other ones, and so it was really easy to work with, just wrapping it around the pipe, getting it nice and tight. They say to only wrap it about 1/4 of an inch over the previous turn, you know, so as you go along. So it goes quite a distance with it. It doesn't smell like the one we had on before. The one we had before, you had to wet it. It was a real pain. And then it just stank for months. It's like, oh man, every time I rode, I was like, man, that just reeks. But this really it doesn't smell at all. And I mean, it smoked up for the first half hour we had the bike run. That's normal. It's got to set in, as they say. But it really looks nice. We put one of the Rogue shields on as well here on this side. Over on this side, my leg used to get really hot because of the tight bend on the pipe. So we put on one of their clamp-on heat shields, and that really works well too, because I'm at a stoplight and stuff, and my leg doesn't burn up. I used to have to put it up on the crash bar, you know, in order to not get it to burn. But really had a good time in the garage today. It's a great day today, and did working with Billy, and we got it all done in a matter of a couple hours, just goofing around while we're doing it. So I highly recommend ThermoTec's carbon fiber exhaust insulating wrap. It's part of their Rogue series, and it was a lot of fun. So I hope you dig it too, and let me know what you think. And they got a bunch of other cool products on their website at thermotec.com. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.